So what you can also do is you can easily add in photos inside of the image editor as well. So to do that, you can go around onto photos and you can set from royalty free photos over here. As you can see, like I can go around and type in nature and I can bring in these photos. So with the photos, you can see that I get some editing options over here on the right hand side as well. And I can go around and resize this. As you can see, I can drag this around and so forth as well. Apart from that, I can go around and upload out photos as I like, and I can get the photos from the cloud that I had uploaded previously in CapCut's video editor or on the Magic Edit tool. If I had uploaded it, it'll show up all here. Or I can go around and upload another photo from over here as well. So I'm just going to go around over here onto, let's say for example, on the images section right here, and if I were to go around and open this, then the photo gets loaded up. It's getting uploaded, as you can see right here, and as it's getting uploaded, I can bring it out right here. Or I can also go around and bring this photo and drag it on top of another photo so that it replaces it out, as you can see. So what you can do with the photo is you can go around and crop it out as well. So you can go around onto crop, and then you can crop out the photo as you like as well. And you can uncrop it as well, just like this, because it does not actually delete out the photo details. So this is the photo right here, as you can see, and then you can also go around and replace this out from your computer. So you can select out another photo, click on open, and it loads up and replaces the photo as well. And that is how you can go around and add in photos, crop it, and even replace out photos as you like inside of CapCut's image editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.